I spent years building launch plans from scratch in Growth. It only takes one prompt in Claude. Problem is that Claude doesn't know your company, so instead I gave it a brain. Quick context here. A company brain is not just a knowledge base, it's a structured, verified layer of everything your company knows. Your product specs, your positioning, your customer research, and all of your past launches, connected to the tools your team actually works with, like Slack, Linear, Intercom, and GitHub. The idea of a company brain went viral earlier this year when YC's president Gary Tan built his own version of it. But a personal brain and a company brain are two very different things. A company brain has to serve your whole team. It needs permissions, it needs a verification, and a way to stay up to date automatically. And that is what Slite does. Slite is an AI knowledge base, basically your team's single source of truth. The Slite agent connects to 20 plus tools and references your docs against what's actually happening in your company. So nothing auto applies, humans stay in the loop. Here's what we're building today. I've been thinking about relaunching BigQuery as a data source inside Slite. So I'm going to use Claude as a product marketing agent with our company brain behind it. Let's go. So I'm opening up Claude, and as I said, I only need one single prompt and a minute to let it run. Here I've got the prompt, and notice what it does. It doesn't ask Claude to reinvent anything. It just asks Claude to pull first and then draft. That pull step is where it gets very interesting. So it found BigQuery specs. It pulled the product decision doc and the why we built this. It also dug up who's been asking it for it in Slack or customer calls, and it even flagged that BigQuery shipped once before under our old brand, so it knew it is a relaunch. And besides that, it pulled our current positioning and tone. Every claim is sourced and every assumption is flagged. One last thing I'm going to tell you to do is please add the full overview of drafts in Slite into the campaign calendar. And it did. Right there, everything exactly in the right place with one single prompt. So the launch plan is drafted, it's sourced and organized in Slite, ready for my team to run with. But I think a lot of people stop here and they miss the most important part. And honestly, I think it's the coolest part of this entire workflow. Now, with launch plans, we know they usually take weeks, a product can change in the meanwhile, the timeline can shift, messages evolve, you know the struggle. So instead of manually chasing updates in different channels, Slite scans across our connected sources on a weekly basis. In case something drifts, so something goes still, a day changes, maybe a feature changes, positioning shifts, it will flag it and it will also prepare the fix. And it routes it to me for final approval. So I'm gonna hit send here, and next week it will appear in the agent triage right here in the left side corner inside Slite. And that's the company brain. It's not just a place to store your data, but it's a system that will keep your knowledge true, automatically with you, a human, in the loop. So in under 2 minutes, we now have a blog post, a 3 email sequence, a sales enablement doc, and a changelog entry, and finally 3 social media posts, basically the full launch kit, grounded in our company context, and set to maintain itself for the next few weeks. So if you're a product marketing manager, a growth engineer, shipping launches, this is the workflow for you. Find more workflows around Claude and Slite in the blog. I'll link in the post description, and see you in the next video.